Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Infographic. Guys, topic of today's video is Big Data Analytics Process. Let's start today's video. Infographic elements. Number 1. Title and introduction. Engaging title. What is engaging title? Engaging title of this video is Decoding Big Data Analytics. Brief introduction emphasizing the significance of big data analytics and deriving insights. Number 2 of this topic is data collection. Visual representation of data collection sources including sensors, social media, and transaction logs. Icons are graphics for each data source. Let's see the number 3. Number 3 of this topic is data ingestion. Diagram illustrating the process of ingesting raw data into a big data analytics system. Icons for data pipelines and ingestion mechanisms. Let's see the number 4. Number 4 is data storage. Infographic depicting various data storage solutions such as data lakes and distributed databases. Icons for storage architectures and cloud-based storage. Number 5. The data processing. Graphics showing the data processing phase, including batch processing and real-time stream processing. Icons for data processing engines like Epic Spark and Hadoop. Let's see the next point of this topic, data analysis. Visual breakdown of data analysis stage including exploratory data analysis and statistical modeling. Icons for data visualization, statistical graphs, and machine learning models. Let's see the next point of this video. Number 7. Data visualization. Infographic illustrating the importance of data visualization in conveying insights. Examples of charts, graphs, and dashboards. Number 8. Insight generation. Diagram showing how insights are generated from the analyzed data. Icons for actionable insights and key findings. Let's go to the next point of this video, decision making. Graphics showcasing the role of big data analytics in informed decision making. Icons for decision points and strategic planning. Let's see the next point. Next point of this video. Point number 10. Next and last point of this video. Feedback loop. What is feedback loop? Section depicting the feedback loop in the big data analytics process. Icons for continuous improvement and refining analytics strategies. Yes guys, now see, design the infographic with a visually appealing layout, a logical flow, and concise text to effectively convey the key stages and processes in big data analytics. So guys, this was very informative video which was shared with you. For next videos, keep watching, like, subscribe our channel, stay with us. Goodbye.